Guys, I want to show you another cool gadget I got. And I'm going to see if you guys like it. You ready?
What?
Do you see what it is?
The screaming goat.
Oh, I already know what this thing is going to do.
Okay, are you ready
It's
to
a
see
button.
what's inside?
It's not really a what the heck is it? 'Cause we
No,
don't
I
know.
can't. Hold on. There's a book. There's nothing else.
Cute. They did a whole thing with it.
Screaming goats.
Open the book. I think there's the book. Are you ready?
Screaming goats.
Those are batteries, right?
Let me
Ah! Ah!
let me see how it sounds. Hold on one moment.
It's a button.
Okay, I have to.
We
Hold
all
on.
know.
Don't pull it yet. Just want to show everybody how it looks. It's tiny.
Yes,
But
It's not really
cute.
tiny. It's
Okay, you want to do the honors? Go ahead, pull it.
yes.
No, you gotta pull that thing. Okay, you ready? So the way it works is you're supposed to do this. Ready? You want to push it? Push it down.
Yeah, I knew it was going to do that. I knew exactly what it was going to do.
Let me hear it. It's not that loud. It's cute.
It's cute.
It's cute. It's not that loud. It makes a great ornament on your dress. Why didn't I think of this? How do you guys like it? How do you guys
I
like it?
think whoever made this is probably getting like hundreds of thousands of dollars right now.
Or tens of dollars. So this is
I
the.
bet you
This
people are
is,
buying it right
guys. This is the Screaming Goat. Comes with a little book, and it's a book on the Screaming Goat. Goat quizzes, all different kinds of stuff, and the Screaming Goat.
now. This
All right, I hope you guys like the video.
is now embedded in my head.
It is tiny but cute. But again, hold on, the Screaming Goat. You guys like it?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll
Yes.
say goodbye to YouTube.
Bye.
Bye.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
This is one of the silliest items that I have purchased on Amazon. Enjoy. The Screaming Goat Ornament Book and Figure Paperback April 5th, 2016. Cost, $9.05. Purchased on Amazon. Become the owner of your very own Screaming Goat. If you are a goat-loving fiend or you simply can't get enough of the Screaming Goat videos, then you absolutely need to own a mini Screaming Goat. Your new goat companion sits on a tree stump, and when you give him a gentle press he screams. The kit also includes a 32-page illustrated pocket guide of fun facts and trivia about everyone's favorite farm animal. Warning: choking hazard, small parts. Not for children under 3 years. Product details. Series, RP Minis Paperback, 32 pages. Publisher, RP Minis, Pap/Toy Edition, April 5th, 2016, Language, English. ISBN 10-076-245-9816. ISBN 13-978-076-245-9810. Product dimensions, 2.9 x 2 x 3.2 inches. Shipping weight, 2.9 ounces.